Hi! In front of me is VIVO V29 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to access your device's keyboard and tap on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, select this gear instead. Now tap on voice typing. Click on the gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. And when you're done, go back to your keyboard. Finally, you can click on a now visible microphone. And if you never used it before, select while using the app in the pop-up. Then after seeing Speak Now command, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, click on the same icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!